Hello again, YouTube. Today, I'm going to be replacing the pull lever for a reclining couch. This is the same process for a lot of couches and a lot of recliners. They all use the same or similar mechanisms nowadays. Here's the new handle piece without the cable in it. There's the cable. So there's a screw that goes in that top hole and in that bottom hole. No screws go through these back holes here, on this one at least. They may be used on others. This is kind of a universal piece. I'm showing you where those go because I got this couch used and he let me know that his son lost the screws, so they're already out of here. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this out. See that cable's busted off there. So I'll just go around back, right through here. The cable comes out. It's got this plastic clip in it, which that plastic clip, you just squeeze it with some pliers and push it through. So I'm going to squeeze it. It's got little tabs on the side, and that allows it to slide through. And you'll see over here, cable goes down. It's not that easy to see here. Goes down, here's the end of it here. It's kind of a Z-shaped little piece. It's like that. It just hooks into a hole down there and you pull it and it releases it. Just gonna pull all this through. Now, there's really nothing wrong with this handle, so if I wanted to, I could reuse it. But the new kit came with everything, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use it there. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get that down through the hole. And just slid in there. So there's not a lot of room for me to show you here, but you can see how that's going through that hole. Then I'm gonna take that up there the way it was. And this is gonna slide back through that slot. It's just gonna click in there. So I'm just pushing this in and then it clicks. Now I'm just gonna route the cable back through the hole. So come back through there. So there's that and that end. So there's the new handle. It'll go in facing that way, so when you're sitting, you pull on it and it reclines for you. This goes through, there's a little metal clip in here that holds it in. You can squeeze it and take it out of there. And then you'll slide, there's a little slot in here that holds the metal part of your wire. Slide it down in there. And then this, okay, so I stood the couch back up so I could pull this. I just pulled the whole thing so the recliner reclined, and that's gonna give me enough slack to slide this into that slot there. Then I'm gonna take that metal clip that I took out and put it back in there. And that clip just holds this silver part so it can't come out. We'll slide that back in there. Now you just have to put that one screw in there and one up there. I currently don't have those screws, so I'm gonna let them out, test it, and see that it works here. Sit here, just give it a pull. And like new. So there it is. Please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, comment. I'll leave a link to the product I bought on Amazon. I think it was about $15 for that handle and cable. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.